Recently, I was driving back from Solapur to Pune and realized one thing. You know what happened? Very interesting thing happened. I was driving at speed of 80 around on the highway and I just got a call. That was call about my next event, virtual event inquiry. So when that call came, it was on Bluetooth. So I was driving, I was looking forward. And you know what happened? When I was driving and I was answering the call, subconscious mind was driving and the conscious mind was answering the call. That guy was asking me the budget, how things will happen, what will happen. It was virtual event, it was new for him. So I was explaining everything because I have done 100 plus events. So I was telling him that this can be done, this can be done. There are many things which can be done. So my conscious mind totally was there, but I realized in that 10-minute conversation, I crossed 10 kilometers without knowing. And I was driving properly. I was changing my gears, I was putting my leg on clutch, brakes, everything, and I was overtaking the vehicles as well. So basically I was doing multitasking. Now the point here is, you know what, the expertise of driving after almost 50,000 kilometers, I achieved that expertise of driving into unconscious mode. Remember guys, this same funda you have to put in a business where unconsciously your business is running smooth in automation mode. You don't have to think so much, you don't have to do so much. Adopt automation, everything can be automated. Think over it, that how the things can be automated. Even from Facebook ads to getting your prospect to landing page, from landing page to the payment segment like InstaMojo or Razorpay, and going to that after the payment, displaying him the thank you page, driving him to the thank you page and displaying some offers, some bonus, some details, some videos. Everything can be done by automation. Now if you ask me, there are various tools, but my favorite tool is Zapier. I used to automate each and everything. Trust me, the complete payment process. People see my ad, people see on Facebook ads, they like it, they subscribe to my live webinars and they do the payment. I just have to see that yes, payment is happening. That's the beauty of this digital business. That's the beauty of automation mode. Those who are new into this business, guys, I understand right now whatever you are doing is your conscious mind. You're giving your fully concentration on understanding the things, but understand in so depth that the same depth of 50,000 kilometers driving, you have to gain that confidence that you run your business in unconscious mode, that you concentrate your conscious mind on some more development, some more learning, how to do things better, and unconsciously your business is running smooth and fine. I hope you understand what I wanted to convey my message, ladies and gentlemen. If you really like this, please click on subscribe and the bell button and stay connected and get the knowledge. Thank you so much.